90% of life science and healthcare graduates are unaware about this field. What exactly is this field all about, and how can we excel and earn as a starting salary of 8 to 12 lakhs per annum? So the job role is medical science liaison. If you are an MBBS physician, BDS, PharmD, M.Pharm, or nursing and biotechnology graduate, then you are eligible for this post. Only B.Pharm or D.Pharm or any other candidate who's bachelorate might not be eligible. What you need to do in MSL? As an MSL, it is your responsibility कि आपको medical communications like scientific communications, visual aids, slide deck preparation, you should be very much thorough with your technical expertise. Disease pathophysiology, standard treatment guidelines like the JNC guidelines for hypertension, DOTS therapy, right? The different triple therapy, quadruple therapy, booster therapies, all the different drug of choice, first line agents, and what are the different alternatives. Tertiary mapping, checking out and creating a network of the subject matter experts, stakeholders, and all the high yield expertise, KOL engagement, key opinion leaders. So it is very important that you have a KOL engagement with strength, because the more number of key opinion leaders you have on board, the better networking and outreach and community that you get. Business acumen, along with therapeutic knowledge, you must have also marketing knowledge, because at the end, though you are not an MR, your target is not sales, but yes, definitely if you are having a knowledge of marketing, it's going to be an icing on the cake for you. Therapeutic and literature search, it's very important कि आपको therapeutic knowledge हो, because having a depth of what are the diseases, how those diseases can be cured, how are your combination FDCs, or how are your medications useful. So you should have a thorough knowledge of the pharmacovigilance, clinical research, regulatory affairs, marketing, all in one. That is why the interview questions involve GVP modules 4 and 6, ICH GCP, clinical trials, real world evidences and evidence based medicines, literature review using PubMed, Google Scholar, MS, Scopus, Mendeley, right, referencing and note and all, using the AI like Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity. You should have an idea about the therapeutic and treatment guidelines that are in a specific diseases. The roles you get, so medical science liaison, medical affairs associate, medical science associate, senior, regional MSL, medical advisors. There are different job roles as and when the hierarchy goes on increasing up to the director MD. Then you have the medical science liaison ka most important skills that a person should have: slide deck preparation, presentation banana आना चाहिए, PubMed or Google Scholar literature search, critical thinking, relationship management, because networking, relationship management is very important part of an MSL. It is representing the company and organization at different levels, and you can get international opportunities like working with MNCs like US, UK. There are different conferences, symposiums, seminars, expos, CPHIs, IPC. So many different events happen nationally and internationally. Companies: Novartis, Pfizer, Roche, Sanofi, Johnson and Johnson, Bayer Pharmaceuticals. You can actually go on for number of companies. There are lot of opportunities for you that hire MSL. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. आई होप दैट दिस वीडियो वाज यूजफुल, बिकॉज हम हर एक करियर के बारे में इन डिटेल जॉब रोल्स, कंपनीज, सैलरीज एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट स्किल्स यू नीड टू लर्न टू गेट द जॉब ये बताएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. हैव अ ग्रेट डे.